Hey, I'm Kyla. So, I had these jeans that don't fit me. They're too big. But since I already have a new one that fits, I figured why not turn the old ones into something useful? Instead of fixing or tossing them, I turned them into a denim tote bag I can actually use. Denim is a tough, long lasting fabric, but so much of it ends up in landfills because of fast fashion. That's a lot of waste for something that can still be reused. So, I decided to upcycle mine. Here's what I used: old jeans, scissors, measuring tape, pencil, needle and thread, a sewing machine, and some fun patches. Let's get into it. These are the jeans, ready for a second life. I measured out about 12 by 8 inches for the body of the bag. Then, I marked the cut lines for the front, back, and straps. After making everything, I cut out the pieces. The straps came from the leftover fabric. With a bit of help, I stitched the pieces together: sides, bottom, top, edge. It started coming together. I also added some patches to give it a bit more personality. Let's test it. I packed it with a few notebooks, some books, and a pencil case. And it held up really well. Nice and sturdy. Upcycling like this is more than a craft project. It reduces waste and gives something practical a second chance. That's it. One old pair of jeans. And now it's a tote bag with a purpose. Thanks for watching. Don't throw your old clothes away. Get creative and make something useful.